To install the Citibank mobile app, start by accessing the App Store on your device. Either the Apple App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Search for Citibank in the search bar and select the official Citibank mobile app from the search results. Click the Install button to begin the download and installation process. Depending on your device and internet connection, this may take a few seconds to a minute to complete. Once the installation is complete, click the Open button to launch the app. You will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions of the app. Read through them carefully and click Accept to proceed. You will then be asked to create a username and password or log in with your existing Citibank online credentials. If you are a new user, you will need to enroll in mobile banking by providing your account information and verifying your identity. This is a one-time process that will link your account to the mobile app. After logging in, you will be able to access a range of services, including account balances, transaction history, and bill payments. You can also use the app to locate nearby ATMs and branches, and to contact customer service. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to log out of the app when you are finished using it, and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. Regularly update the app to ensure you have the latest security features and functionality. By following these steps, you can easily install and start using the Citibank mobile app to manage your accounts on the go.